back. We are on lesson 3, mineral resources. And this PowerPoint is St. Patrick's themed because I will be presenting this on St. Patrick's Day. We will have more activities during class, but I think it also fits because usually on St. Patrick's Day, people sometimes think of gold underneath a rainbow, a pot of gold, and gold is actually a mineral, so kind of correlates, but moving on, I digress. Let's get into it. So what exactly is a mineral and what is an ore? A mineral is a solid abiotic substance. So remember, abiotic meaning non-living, made from a particular combinations of elements. So the elements in the periodic table. The difference between a mineral and an ore is just when a mineral deposit is large or big enough and valuable enough for it to be extracted by us. And those ores can be used or sold to make money. Okay, so an example of some minerals or some ores are graphite, calcium, gold, like I said, quartz, and even talc. Talc is used in chalk. And we actually talked about uranium in the non-renewable resources when we talked about nuclear energy. So this mineral is actually used in nuclear energy. Fun fact. Okay, so just to recap, mineral, it's a solid abiotic substance made from a combination of elements. So those, the different minerals depend on the different combination of elements. And an ore is when it's big and large enough to be extracted. Big, large, and valuable enough to be extracted. So we know what minerals are, but how do they form? They could be formed by organic material, solutions, or from magma and lava. So first, organic material. Those are found in oceans. So when coral dies, they leave behind this calcium carbonate skeleton when they die, as you see in that picture, and that is considered a mineral. So that calcium is a mineral. We could also see that in solutions. We could also see minerals in solutions. So when water evaporates, the minerals that are left behind on Earth, and we can take those and extract those. They could also be through warm solutions. So rocks have cracks in them. So those solutions can cool and then leave those minerals behind in the rock. Lastly, we could see minerals in magma and lava. So what's even the difference between magma and lava? Magma is molten or semi-molten, so melted rock below the Earth's surface. So magma is below the Earth's surface. Lava is magma above the Earth's surface. So it just depends on where it is, either above or below the Earth's surface. Magma is being below, lava above. Okay. When magma or lava cools, it hardens, and it hardens into rock or minerals. Okay. So let's talk about the distribution of minerals. So common minerals are roughly distributed evenly. Meanwhile, other minerals are rare. So like gold, uranium, those are more rare. But things like calcium, fluorite, those are common and they are distributed roughly even. Okay, and again, those depend on how or when the minerals form. So if we're talking about minerals that are formed from rock, from lava, and from magma, we're not going to see that over here, right? We would see that where volcanoes are. So how do we use minerals? We reuse them and rely on them on many different ways. We need minerals to survive. And many minerals are mined. Even though they are mined, they are dangerous and they damage the environment. So when we mine, we damage the environment and it's dangerous for us to extract them. Okay. So that's it. Very short. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new.